Indonesian.
A little bit like that. I show. Okay lah. Okay lah, like that.
But in
Didn't have any
speak.
Yeah,
You don't speak.
yeah. We don't speak.
Only
Only
skip.
Yeah, in our heart.
Oh yes.
Then waiting the employer terminate us like you.
Huh?
Yeah.
You wait. You wait.
No. Other people like that. Other Indonesian people like that. Waiting the employer terminate.
Terminated.
Yeah, terminated.
But me, I speak on the camera when the other night. I speak on the camera when my mom is angry. I speak on the camera. I don't scared if you terminated me. If you not terminated me, I will break my contract.
you stop the camera. Enjoy.
Yes, like that in the hand. It's too much work. I started when 6 a.m. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 18 hours. And then, baby sleep with me. And baby wake up many times at night. Oh, many times. So I'm not sleep. Oh my God. And then I sleep 4 hours only every day.
4 hours only.
Yes, 4 hours only. It's so hard for me and my health. I'm thinking my health. Oh, my health is not good. When I already maybe when I go back to the Philippines, I go crazy. When I finish my contract, because not enough sleep. Huh?
Yeah.
Sleep is important.
Yeah.
The rest, I speak. I am angry on the camera. I said, I'm not speak. I'm not sleep. I don't have enough rest. And then all this like that. Like that. A simple things don't understand me.
You are talking
In the camera. I'm talking to the camera and the CCTV on my room. If you not terminated me, I will break my contract. I said,
when you talk with the camera.
when my mom angry on me. That night.
Oh.
So many, what it's called, command me, demand all, demand, not sleep. And the baby had a vaccine that day, 2 vaccine, and then baby always crying.
Oh my.
I do all my job, I finish.
I think the baby close to you.
Yes. And baby, when I see the baby, I said, baby, bye-bye. And then, baby like this.
Oh.
The hands is, touch me. He want to hold him.
Yeah.
He want to hold him. No,
It's not the girl.
No, boy.
Oh, boy.
No, baby. Cheche is sleeping. Bye, baby. When I see baby, I'm
Crying.
No, not totally crying. My tears is going inside my eyes. And then, like this, and then, bye, mom, bye, sir. I said, and then sir look at me. Bye, Cheche. Bye. Good luck, Cheche. Said to me. But mom not speak. Still, the face is still angry. I don't know. But I'm always talking to mom, always honest to mom about my feelings. Maybe I'm thinking that the one who first understand me is mom because she is the girl also. But not. Cannot. I don't know, mom.
One woman like that.
Yeah, one woman like that.
Then how about your next the
Next plan.
Yeah, next plan.
Next plan.
How about your
If I'm going back to the Philippines and
maybe you will find an employer from the Philippines?
maybe if
Because this is only 2 days.
2 days,
Yeah.
2 days left.
Yeah, 2 days left.
Because
Tomorrow and
answers
28?
yes,
Yes.
answers Steve, the reason is not suited.
Yes.
You know what I'm talking.
Yes.
But Ma'am Christina said, oh,
Yeah.
I can help you.
Yeah. The agency say they cannot help her because something reason, but
The reason is, three reason is always accepted on that agency.
yeah,
One is
pass away,
relocation, and then
financial problem. Yeah,
Yeah.
financial
Not
problem.
suitable. It's not accepted.
Yeah. So
Hindi, sir ko, no, when you are agency call me and I will give you the good reason because you are good on good skills and cooking and I see you are hardworking. Oh, maybe you see that I'm hardworking too because so many work inside the house. And the other boy, children, oh, very naughty. Oh. When you meet the boy,
but your employer like a Philippine for her helper.
yes, I like the Philippine. Oh.
Yeah.
Always Philippines.
Yeah.
Choose the Philippines.
How much? How many people terminate?
Terminate.
You are the 8.
No, 7.
7.
I am the 7. And the next stretcher come
Is
is
number 8.
Number 8. Oh, it's not good. This is a Terminator. Oh, Terminator version.
Why immigration like that?
I don't know.
Yeah, we don't know like that. Yeah,
Maybe.
Just maybe. Then you will see your family.
Yes, and
happy with them before coming in Hong Kong again.
Yes.
Do you want to change another country?
No, I don't want to go on the Saudi.
You experience Saudi?
Yes.
How about Saudi? You have a good employer also or no?
Good employer, but there's a big family.
What?
When you are working in Saudi, when I'm working in Saudi, in my contract, only 3 person. My sir, my mom, and the baby. The employer.
Yeah.
3 member of the family. And when I come in the Saudi,
What?
So many. My mother. So many sister. The house is so very big like this. A third floor. Oh my, the house is so very big.
And you only you
When I come, have only one helper. Philippine also, yes. And then the Philippines is so many. Call the madam.
Yeah.
She said in the Arabic. And said,
You can speak Arabic also?
yes. Oh, small. And then, Daddy! No! Because the house is so very big. When not here, when I not shout like that, scream like that, speak. Come in! Like that. Then, on the third floor. On the third floor.
Yeah. And how long you stay there?
2 years.
2 years. Wow! Wow!
Yes. But my mom and sir, when mom and sir in my house, it's not very big because we are living in the apartment. But the apartment is have a 3 room,
bathroom.
2 bathroom. Three bathroom.
3 bedroom.
And then, a big sala. The apartment Saudi is very big. Also, not like this. Not like this. The room like this. No, no. It's a
You have one room?
Yes, I have one. And I have an aircon. And I have a shower.
Oh,
Yes.
so nice, so nice.
Nice. And
How about the salary?
but it's not big.
Oh.
1,500 riyal.
And
It means when I get the Saudi, when I come Saudi, the exchange the exchange rate is not big, small. 20,000 in my country, 20,000 peso.
compare in Hong Kong?
Yes, compare in Hong Kong is very big.
No. I mean
Very big.
no, 20,000
20,000
in Philippines.
Yes, in Philippines, but this is Hong Kong is 35,000.
35,000.
35,000 in the Philippines. Small in the Saudi. But Saudi, you're not allowed to go outside.
You must
Yes, always wear like that. Only face. You can see.
So you have
Yes, hijab. Hijab only my face, and that I'm wearing the uniform like this, and the pajama also. Not skin, not shoulder skin, not like this, no. And then not going outside and not allowed to speak the guy. You're not allowed to speak.
Why?
And not allowed to see the man.
Like you have a charger also?
No.
No.
When the guy come home and pick some things are broken,
Yeah.
yes, all of us, the girls, come into the room and lock the door.
Oh my God.
And say, no, sir, don't go outside. Don't go outside. Stay here in the room. The guy will come here.
Oh my God.
Sir told me.
Afraid?
Yes, sir.
like
Yes,
that.
sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, only the family see you like that.
Yes. Only the family of my employer see me. But the other, no. No. And sir is very protective when I go outside. Sir is always like that. I always on the back. And sir, like that. Sir is good. And my mom is good also. But I'm very tired. I feel like my body is like this. You know that when you got the always standing, not sitting. Not sitting.
Yeah.
Oh, your body is like a half. I think you didn't see no in the one. Yes, your body is like a half, and then the other half is not. You know what is that? Not feeling.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I know. Only having your half body because you are washing, you cooking, and then ironing, and then go out there, serve the food.
Yeah.
But my sir said me also, I am good to cooking, delicious. Said me. And then when I come. But when I come in Saudi, I'm not, I don't know how to cook. Food.
They teach you?
No, not teach me. When my mom cook.
You see?
You see, I see it when I wash the dishes. And then I see. But mom never told me that.
The recipe?
Yes. And my Chinese employer also not teach me. But she told me, cook. When I come, cooking this, cook now. No. What happened? No. So I don't know how to cook. No. You do cooking. When I see the ingredients, the cornstarch, the soy sauce, and like this, and then I remember I
You're
was
just thinking about your mind?
Yes, and then cook. Just cook, and then not speak when I serve the food.
Almost the finish?
Yes, when I serve the food. Fish, and then the vegetable and soup. 4 dishes every dinner.